Alright, so here we have a mystery ISC2 box. The mystery I'm saying because I passed SSCP a while back and I passed CCSP. So I'm guessing this one is SSCP certificate because when I passed CCSP I just paid the AMF. So but they haven't updated the site yet. So I'm guessing it's SSCP, but who knows. This comes in a box like this. So let's try to unbox it and see what's inside. Okay. Some glue inside, there's some tape on the outside. Oh yeah. I guess this is it. I got it all. Oh, look at that. So this is what it looks like. Oh, there's a cool, is it metal? I don't know, it's a metal or, yeah, it's a pin. Oh, that feels metal. So this is, I guess, when you're in an event, you want to put it on your, not on your coat or something. Some booklet, but this is SSCP. So nice. It has a cool feeling to it, like it's the special card-like paper. Now this one is just normal. This one is embossed. Let's see what else we have in here. Some welcome to ISC2 people booklet. So what's next? I already know what's next. I took the CCSP. I will go for CISSP soon. Members, associate. I think the most important one is, these are probably member magazine. Okay, this one is help to pass the exam. If somebody is into exams, so you have concentration. I don't know what that means. Associate of ISC2 is the lowest grade. Basically, you pass the exam, but you don't have work experience, so that's when you get the designation of ISC2. I had sent them my previous work experience. You have to provide your pay stubs from the past where you have worked. If you don't have the pay stub, there is a website. Let me see if I can find that. Alright, so you can see my screen, but I had to Google it. It's the work number. That's the website, theworknumber.com. That's where I got all of my history, my previous work history. I just sent them the PDF, and after evaluation, they were like, yeah, we can give you the SCCP. So I have my SCCP. I'm waiting for them to update their website and show that CCSP is obtained. I don't think so there is anything else on this box, but this pin kind of cool, and it will be cooler if I get the CISSP. That's manager level credentials. I'm very happy to get the CSSP. But apparently SSCP is in high demand. If you go and search any of the websites in like Indeed.com. Alright, so this is it for the unboxing of this cool bag package. If this video it's helped you or you like this video, please thumbs up and see you in the next one.